Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can watch offline videos in TikTok. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments, and let's get started. So, we're gonna go into TikTok, and let's say that you know that now you are coming or will be in an area where the internet is bad, connection is bad, but still you want to watch videos from TikTok. What should you do then? Then you can go to your profile. Next, click on the three bars at the top and go to Privacy Settings. Now we need to scroll down and find the Offline Video section. Click on that. And this is where you and I can select the number of videos that will be uploaded to our TikTok. Here under the number of videos is written the time for which you can view them, as well as the amount of memory they will take. For example, you can upload 50 videos, 100 videos, 150 videos, and 200 videos. For example, 50 videos will take 30 minutes to watch and 150 videos will take 70 minutes to watch. And you can already guess how much time you need to do that, as well as how much memory you have. And for example, if I know I'm going to be on the road for an hour, then I choose 150 videos. And then I click download. And then those videos will download to my phone. And don't worry, they won't be repeated every time. So as soon as you reconnect to a Wi-Fi network, for example, pause, then immediately these downloaded videos will be updated. And when you will be again without connection, without internet, you will have other downloaded videos to watch in TikTok. That's the simple way you can watch videos offline in the TikTok app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.